Hey everybody, welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Today we're going to do some super clean testing, and I want to talk about my experiences with super clean over the last about year or so. I've collected a few videos, befores and afters, pictures and things like that didn't really warrant a video all on their own, but I wanted to talk about them in today's video, and then I want to clean something that is both delicate but needs a little bit more strength to get fully cleaned off. Before we get into today's testing video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like if you enjoy this type of content. Also make sure to be following us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. Super Clean has done several giveaways through us, and all you have to be doing to be part of any of those giveaways is be following us on Instagram. We aren't currently doing a Super Clean giveaway, but they have happened in the past and they will continue to happen in the future. Right now we're doing two E46 M3 steering wheels. So again, following us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports, is the only way that you can be entered in to those giveaways. Now, any longtime viewer of the channel recognize that this is a new house. My wife and I purchased it about 2 months ago, and the last couple months have been pretty crazy, but we have used Super Clean like cases of this stuff, both inside, outside, back at my parents' house where we were cleaning up their garage after moving out the cars, just loads and loads of Super Clean, and I absolutely love this stuff. We got several bottles inside. I've got stuff out here, and we use it basically every application. You can clean bathrooms, tile, we clean the stove with it. So there's very little you can't clean with this stuff. My favorite, obviously, is this guy right here, and not just because I'm lazy, because getting the full strength stuff, you know, you have to dilute it and you have to be careful with it. Not only that, it's just, I like the fact that this foams. They do have a foaming spray that comes out of a bottle. I'm actually out of that. I've got about half of this left, so I'm gonna have to be getting some more here soon. But this one, I like how easy it is to control, how fast it starts to pull grease and dirt off, and I'll be showing that here in just a moment. We've got a Polaris Ace that we actually cleaned up, and I'll just be showing some content here of that. So enjoy this little montage of us cleaning that up, and then when we come back, I'm gonna be cleaning off a wheel, and I'll explain the situation we're in where it does need to be aggressive, but also can't be too harsh. And I'll talk about why Super Clean is absolutely perfect for that. Now, this Ace isn't the dirtiest thing we've ever purchased, but it was used and was stored essentially outside. It had a covering over it, like a lean-to, but it was outside at a farm. All we did was pull out our Super Clean and start to clean it up. So this is the rim on my wife's BMW F30. This is plasti-dipped. And plasti-dip, like I said earlier, is kind of difficult to clean. If you put too aggressive of stuff on it, then you can actually pull the plasti-dip off the rim. Plasti-dip is designed to come off. So again, if you're not careful, it will just flat out come off. So I've got our Super Clean here. I've got a white rag. This isn't the best rag. It doesn't soak up very well, but I should be able to wipe it and show, you know, what's coming off. So there's what's coming off right now. Let's see if I can get that on camera. This is what's coming off right now before we even do any testing on it. I'm gonna put some generic competitor stuff, kind of some spray cleaner like this is, on one side, and then I'll put the Super Clean on the other side. We'll just kind of get like a side-by-side comparison. So let's get that done real quick. All right, well, I'm really hoping that the camera's picking this up, but it is like super dark brown right here where it's actually pulling the dirt off of the wheel. Normally right now what I do is you'd spray it, you'd let it sit for a little bit, and then you just rinse it off. You don't have to wipe or nothing. Plasti-Dip does not like being wiped, it doesn't like being dried, nothing. You spray foam it on and then you rinse it back off. And that's why the Super Clean's been so nice. I'm gonna get some close-up shots. I'm not sure if you guys can see some of the results here. And I try not to get it all over the garage floor. I don't need to actually clean this wheel right now. I'm just kind of doing it to show off how clean it is. It's the generic side. And here's the Super Clean side. Now it doesn't look too much different. In fact, this side looks like it's a little bit more. Let me adjust the camera real quick here again. So this side looks like it's slightly more, but look how much darker this is. So this is pulling it deeper. I could have probably gotten it to look like this if I just wiped it with water almost. Obviously, I'm sure this does clean a little bit more than water, but hopefully you're seeing that on camera, but this side is much darker than the other side. So I am very happy with Super Clean. I have shown their products on the channel before, and they just blow me away every single time. We did a video a while back, I'll have it linked up here, where we did an engine, where we cleaned an engine, and I just sprayed the same aerosol stuff on it, and it just poured off. The grease and the dirt just poured off the engine. Again, very happy with their products. I'm glad that we were able to do just a little bit of a field test here. If you are interested in seeing anything else, if there's anything specific you want to see, like clean, time lapse, something like that, I can absolutely do that. I use this stuff almost every single time I'm out in the garage. I'll clean up stuff for when we go to video, when I go to record a video, I'll clean up. I will wipe the garage floor, I'll clean up oil spots, anything like that. It's fantastic stuff. Thanks again so much for watching. Thanks again to Super Clean. Everything will be linked down in the description below. Excellent product, excellent company. They're very responsive to any comments or questions that you have, and so am I. If you have any comments or questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. But they're just a really great company to work with, all US based, and we're really happy to support that. Thanks everybody so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bam!